Klaben Ford Lincoln is part of the Klaben Auto Group, proudly serving Northeast Ohio for over 50 years. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with parking sensors, lane departure warning system, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear spoiler, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed sensing steering, keyless entry, auto high beam headlamp control, steering wheel controls, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Today, the Klaben family lives by the same customer-driven principles that their founder Al Klaben incorporated into the first store he opened over 50 years ago. They remain a local family business in culture and in practice, while being able to pass along to you the benefits of being a large business. This allows Klaben to provide you with the absolute best value, while retaining their strong focus on delivering a level of customer service that sets them apart. Check out their reviews. This is the Klaben difference.